Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new here, then welcome. So in today's video, I'm giving you guys a baby hair tutorial, a edge tutorial, whichever you want to call it. And after that, I'm going to be sharing with you guys a couple of my favorite lip combos, so make sure you watch till the end. Alright, so right now I'm just doing a half up, half down ponytail on my daughter Zanaya. She's forcing me to do her hair for school tomorrow, so by default, she became the model for this video. So a few people have asked me to do a baby hair tutorial before, but one of my newer subscribers had sent me a message and she had me cracking up, so I told her that I would do a baby hair tutorial soon because of her. So first things first, you're going to separate the edges that you want left out. As you can see, hers is already separated and she wants hers a bit dramatic. And if you don't want yours as dramatic, of course you could leave less baby hair out. I'm just showing you what products to use and how to lay whatever you do leave out. Right here, I'm just taking my skinny flat irons and I'm just going to curl all of her edges. Once that's done, I'm using my Kenra finishing spray and I'm just going to spray some onto my edge brush, and then I'm going to shape her baby hair in the direction that I want it to go. You could spray the spray directly onto the baby hair or onto the brush, whichever you prefer, and use whatever hairspray you like. Once that's done, I'm going to use a little bit of Ebin edge control. I'm going to put it at the top of the edges, and then I'm just going to smooth it through using my brush, laying the baby hair exactly how I want it to go. And once I have it exactly how I want it, I'm just going to mist my hairspray on top to hold it in place. So I'm just going to let the video play and you can follow along. So this is the part where I spray everything in place. Every time I'm finished this side, and it's so cute. Now I'm just going to do the exact same thing to the rest of her edges. Remember, use hairspray to shape it, edge control to lay it, and more hairspray to hold it in place. They're still stuck this morning on the way to school. Alright y'all, so I decided to share with you guys these really cute lip combos that I put together. As you can see, I already have one lip liner on. This lip liner is called Nightmoth. It's Nightmoth, it's by MAC. It's like a dark burgundy color. As you can see, it's really pretty. Okay, so this is by Juvia's Place. The color is barely there. It's like a nude pinkish color. Okay. top, but I actually like it. See? I think I'm gonna wear this one today, honestly. This is my favorite combo. Nightmoth and Beverly there is like my favorite combo. I'm gonna show you one more combo that I put together. So let me wipe this off first. And I wanted to thank you guys for supporting my channel, watching my videos. I'm finally monetized, even though I haven't been posting like I should. I am monetized now, and that's all thanks to you guys. So thank you, thank you, thank you. I really appreciate you guys' support. So I will try to post more. And again, don't mind this pimple. It's really irritating me in this camera because I can really see it. I wish I could show you guys what I have on. So the next combo is going to be the lip liner is by Anastasia Beverly Hills, Cool Brown by Anastasia Beverly Hills. So I'm just gonna put this on, and this is if you want like a nude color, a light brown and nude mix, because the lipstick I'm using is also by Anastasia Beverly Hills, and it's butterscotch. It's super pretty, y'all. It took me a while to find a really cute lip combo, a nude lip combo, but butterscotch definitely, and Barely There. I love Barely There as well. So I'm gonna, you know, trace it a bit more. I want it kind of thick. I really wanted to show. Oh, that's pretty. And y'all, again, I am not like a makeup artist. I do what I can do, you know. If I knew exactly what I was doing, I would cover this pimple. Although I do know how to cover the pimple. I think I just needed some more concealer and then put some foundation on top. I really don't like to wear foundation like that. I only wear it if my face is, you know, breaking out and I want to cover little marks and stuff. But anyway, so you can see. All right, now the lipstick is butterscotch, and this is how it looks. Got a little brown on it, but let me just scroll it down. It's not completely matte, but it's kind of creamy, so I do like it. I'm just gonna tap a bit of the Barely There on top, just for a little gloss and shimmer. See? But I do like my lip line a bit darker. So I've had this forever. This is actually one of my favorite lip liners. It's called Line Loud, and it's by NYX, and this is really good. It's called Rebel Kind. I will list everything below, but I'm just going to outline it a bit more because I want my line to be a bit darker so you can really see the shape of my lip. See, I like that a little better. And like I said, y'all, I don't be knowing what I'm doing. I probably should have did this before the gloss, but better late than never. Okay, I will list all of these products below, but y'all, I have to get going. Me and my baby girl gotta go out, so I love you and I